Hi, my name is Prabhjit Kaur and today I am really happy that I have achieved 7.5 bands in IELTS. As this is all because of Touchstone. I have given the training for 2 months here and it is all because of the efforts of the teachers as there were 2 practice sessions of each module and in IELTS we need lots of practice and due to these practical sessions, I was able to achieve 8 bands in reading and 8.5 in listening as the teachers were really helpful and they have given me some tips and tricks that really helped me a lot and my overall experience in Touchstone is fabulous as I would also recommend to all the students who are going to give the IELTS exam that they should visit and get the training from the Touchstone trainers so that they would be able to get their desired band scores.
Hello everyone, my name is Muskan Pritkar and I got 7.5 bands in my IELTS exam that I have done with the help of Touchstone Batala. My experience over here is really good as the teachers over here are really helpful as well as cooperative as a student can ask anything about any difficulties in any particular module as well. The mock tests conducted over here on every Saturdays are really helpful as they help me out to understand about my strength as well as my weaknesses. So my experience over here was very good and I got my desired bands that are really helpful and I will definitely achieve success over here with the help of the bands that I scored from the Touchstone Batala as well.
Was 7.5, speaking 7, writing 6.5, reading 7.5 and that listening test was 8.5. So I would like to talk about this Touchstone Educationals. I took my counseling or my preparation time in IELTS Institute which is in Hoshiarpur.
Hello everyone, I am Abhijit Singh from Karnar. With the right guidance of my mentors, Touchstone provide a lot of help in right direction in order to achieve my bands in less time. The education environment and exposure which a student gets here is highly commendable in the every aspect of learning. My experience during the classes is very nice and good. The teachers show the right direction and the tips and tricks are also very good and they are helping to fulfilling my dreams. And in the last, I really recommend to all my friends to join Touchstone who is interested in overseas studies. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Hi everyone, my name is Abhishek Bisla. I am from Jin. I joined Touchstone and I scored 7 band overall. With the help of the guidance of our mentor, I was able to clear my IELTS exam. Moreover, the teacher and the student were really supportive.
My name is Faryad and I have just cracked my IELTS exams and I have scored very nice. I have scored 7 bands. In speaking, I was facing a little bit difficulty, but I've scored 7 in that module also.
The trainer at Touchstone Institute were very great. They helped me a lot in achieving my required bands. The environment at Touchstone was very peaceful and all the trainers in the institutes were very great. They cleared all the doubts which I have in my modules and they helped me and they boost the confidence in me, which was very great thing in the institute, and the way they teach was very great. That thing helped me a lot and I got my required bands. At last, I would recommend all the students that they should join the Touchstone Institute, which will help them to achieve their band requirements. Thank you.
Hey all, myself Mehdi. I have acquired an overall band score of 7 due to Touchstone only, and here I would like to share my personal experience at Touchstone. The training at Touchstone is very good as the staff and the teachers is very cooperative and helpful. They cater every possible facility to the students so that they can achieve their required band score. I was among them and they daily provide the daily feedback so that student can put their level best in real IELTS exam. The best part of the training was the TESOL application as well as the extra classes. There was no bound to anybody so that they can be able to get the TESOL application or extra classes, and they help me to get more and more knowledge about the topic that may be related to different types of topics like environment or any kind of technology that proved excellent to me so that I can get a good score in IELTS. I was overwhelmed to be a part of Touchstone, and I will definitely recommend more and more students to come and visit the nearest Touchstone available to them so that they can get their required band score.
My name is Cami. I live in Ludhiana city. So I did my post-graduation in MA Music. So now I'm planning to do my further studies in Canada. So I scored 6.5 bands, and I got an offer letter from Flaming College too. And one of my friend recommended me for the visa approval to go for the Touchstone. So there was a good experience with them. So finally I got my visa. Thank you so much.